Banties, y'all stop acting like y'all gonna do something. Y'all so soft. Juju, break up them Banties. Don't let them fight. You know better, Juju. You're supposed to keep them from doing that kind of stuff. You're supposed to get in between them. What's up, homie? Get in this. Supposed to be making them think about you. See how he makes himself the main character.